Imagine having a rope that not only handles heavy-duty tasks, but also resists the elements. The Rapid Rope. Extreme utility. Rope is designed for the toughest challenges, whether you're scaling a mountain, securing gear on a windy day, or setting up camp. Its 100 feet of durable, UV-resistant material makes it perfect for any job, from lifting to tying to stabilizing. No more tangled messes. This rope comes ready to work and makes knotting and deploying easier than ever. Whether you're an outdoor enthusiast or a professional, this rope will quickly become your go-to tool. It's all about strength, convenience, and reliability in one compact design. Have you ever wished for a tool that makes taping effortless? Enter the GaffGun Pro Bundle, your ultimate solution for smooth, quick, and hassle-free tape application. Whether you're working on stage setups, cable management, or any project that demands precision, this tool lets you roll through tasks with ease. The ergonomic design ensures you can tape all day without fatigue, while the precision loading system eliminates tape wrinkles or waste. It's a game-changer for anyone who needs to apply gaffer tape quickly and professionally. Get ready to speed up your work while maintaining the highest standards. When it comes to charging your Bosch tools, speed and reliability matter. The Bosch Gal 18V160C professional charger takes your power tools to the next level by providing rapid, efficient charging, ensuring you're always ready to tackle your next project. It's built with advanced cooling technology to prevent overheating and prolong battery life. This charger is designed to work seamlessly with all Bosch 18-volt batteries, ensuring versatility and performance. Whether you're working in the workshop or out on the job site, the Gal 18V160C keeps you powered up and ready to go, so you can focus on what matters: getting things done. When precision and power meet, you get the Fantic TS2 Pro torque screwdriver wrench set. This tool brings digital torque adjustment to your fingertips, offering accuracy down to the smallest detail. Whether you're assembling delicate electronics or fixing machinery, this set ensures that every screw is tightened to perfection. The ergonomic, lightweight design means you can work comfortably for longer hours without straining your wrist. Plus, with an auto-calibration function, you can be confident your torque settings are always accurate. It's a professional-grade tool that guarantees efficiency and reliability in every turn. The Groz WWTP Telescopic Wheel. Wrench takes the struggle out of changing tires, offering extended leverage when you need it most. Its telescoping handle can be adjusted to your preferred length, giving you that extra power to loosen stubborn nuts or bolts with ease. Whether you're on a tight schedule or just need to make sure you're prepared for an emergency tire change, this wrench gets the job done without a hassle. The high-quality build means it can take on the toughest automotive tasks, so you can rest assured it will serve you for years to come. Your next tire change just got a whole lot easier. Say goodbye to bulky chainsaws and hello to the Fantic W10 Apex Cordless Mini Chainsaw. This compact powerhouse is all about precision cutting for those smaller tasks around the yard or campsite. With its lightweight design and battery-powered operation, you can take it anywhere, whether you're trimming branches or cutting firewood. The tool-free chain tensioning system means you can easily adjust the chain for smooth operation. No more struggling with heavy, hard-to-handle equipment. This mini chainsaw is the perfect blend of portability and power. A must-have for any outdoor enthusiast or DIYer. Transform your standard drill into a hammering powerhouse with the Easy Strike drill attachment. This game-changing tool makes light work of tough materials like concrete and brick. By converting your drill into a hammer drill in seconds, it saves you the expense of buying a separate hammer drill. The ergonomic design ensures you can work comfortably, while the easy attachment system means no time wasted. It's ideal for anyone who needs to punch through hard surfaces without the added weight of a dedicated tool. Get ready to tackle any drilling challenge with confidence. For anyone who loves to keep their tools clean or tackle outdoor messes, the Fantic NB8 Flip Portable Pressure Washer Gun is a must-have. This cordless portable washer delivers powerful pressure, making it perfect for cleaning everything from cars to patio furniture. Its flip nozzle lets you adjust the water pressure with ease, depending on the surface you're cleaning, while the ergonomic design ensures you can use it for extended periods without discomfort. It's compact, effective, and built to handle tough outdoor grime. Say goodbye to messy hoses and bulky machines. This is the future of pressure washing. Your screen deserves the best care, and the Tucker Screen Cleaner provides just that. With its high-quality microfiber cleaning pad, this tool effortlessly removes dust, smudges, and fingerprints from your screens, leaving them spotless. Whether you're cleaning your TV, computer, or phone, the Tucker Screen Cleaner ensures a streak-free shine every time. Its compact design makes it easy to use, while the gentle, non-abrasive material ensures your screen stays safe from scratches. No more messy wipes or harsh chemicals, just clean screens every time. For anyone who cuts their own firewood, the Mingo Marker Ultimate Firewood Measuring Tool is a total game-changer. This handy tool takes the guesswork out of measuring firewood lengths, ensuring you get consistent, accurate cuts every time. Whether you're preparing wood for a cozy fireplace or a campfire, the Mingo Marker helps you measure and mark logs quickly and efficiently. The easy-to-read scale and durable construction mean this tool will stand up to years of use. Say goodbye to uneven cuts and hello to perfectly measured firewood every time you head out to cut. The Orange Ninja all-in-one garden tool and knife sharpener is a game-changer for anyone who loves to keep their tools in top shape. Whether you're sharpening your garden shears, knives, or any other cutting tools, this compact and versatile tool ensures they stay sharp and ready for use. The ergonomic design allows for a comfortable grip, and the multiple sharpening angles cater to a wide range of tools. It's the ideal solution for gardeners and DIYers who want precision and efficiency without the need for multiple sharpening devices. Your tools will be as sharp as the day you bought them, making every job easier. When it comes to repairing pipes without making a mess, the Arctic Haze Aeropipe Freeze Kit is your best friend. This tool allows you to freeze a section of the pipe, enabling you to make repairs or install new fittings without shutting off the water supply. The easy-to-use system ensures a quick freeze, and the included freeze spray is efficient even in colder temperatures. Perfect for plumbers or anyone who works with pipes, this kit saves time, reduces disruption, and eliminates the need for costly pipe replacements. You can work with confidence knowing that repairs are quick and painless. The Groz WWTP high-density polyethylene drain pan is built to handle everything from automotive maintenance to home improvement projects. Its durable, high-density polyethylene construction ensures that it can handle heavy oils, fluids, and debris, making cleanup a breeze. The low-profile design fits under vehicles and machinery, catching drips and leaks with ease. With a capacity large enough to handle multiple fluid changes, it's the perfect addition to any workshop or garage. No more messy spills, just clean, efficient drainage every time. It's practical, durable, and ready for anything. For drywall installers, painters, or anyone working at height, the Metaltech Buildman grade 18 to 30-inch drywall stilts offer the mobility and stability you need. These stilts are fully adjustable to fit your height requirements, ensuring that you can reach ceilings and walls with ease, while maintaining balance and comfort. The lightweight, sturdy design allows you to work for extended periods without fatigue. Whether you're putting up drywall or doing overhead painting, these stilts give you the perfect solution for working at height with safety and precision. The Airspade 5000 Arbor Air excavation tool is designed for professionals who need to dig around delicate underground utilities without causing damage. By using compressed air to loosen soil, it enables you to safely expose roots, pipes, and cables without the risk of injury or damage. The ergonomic design and powerful air pressure give you full control while ensuring minimal disruption to the surrounding area. Whether you're doing tree root excavation or preparing for underground repairs, the Airspade 5000 offers a clean, efficient, and safe solution that drastically reduces labor time. The Wall Web device is the ultimate solution for quick and easy drywall repairs. This tool allows you to fix holes, cracks, or damage in gyprock walls in record time without the need for patching compounds. Simply position the web over the damaged area, apply the adhesive, and you're ready to go. It's perfect for homeowners and contractors who need fast results without compromising on quality. With the wall web device, you can restore walls to their original condition, making repairs easier and faster than ever before. It's the future of drywall repair. Efficient, effective, and hassle-free. The Groz. Heavy-duty. Drum trolley is a must-have for anyone working with large barrels, drums, or containers. This trolley is designed to safely lift and transport heavy drums, making it easier to move materials in warehouses, factories, or workshops. The durable steel construction ensures that the trolley can handle up to 180 kilograms, providing the strength needed for industrial environments. With smooth rolling casters and an ergonomic design, this trolley minimizes the effort required to move heavy drums and increases efficiency. It's a robust solution that simplifies handling and transportation tasks in any industrial setting. When it comes to lifting heavy loads in a compact and portable design, the AGM EJA 2005 Manual Jack Sport is a true powerhouse. This manual jack is built for quick, safe lifting, whether you're working on vehicles or moving heavy equipment. With its compact size, it can easily be stored in a car boot or workshop for emergency use. The simple manual operation ensures reliability without the need for complex mechanisms or electricity. Whether you're on the road or in the garage, this jack provides the lifting power you need without the bulk or expense of hydraulic jacks. The GRS Seam Closer is the perfect tool for professionals working with seam welding, specifically in the installation of carpet seams. It closes the edges of seams quickly and efficiently, ensuring that your carpet joints are perfectly aligned and secured. The tool is easy to use, with a design that allows for smooth, consistent results every time. Whether you're a professional carpet installer or a DIYer, the GRS Seam Closer makes the job easier by providing a reliable, effective way to finish carpet seams with precision. The Hands Gadget. Screwdriver HSD036LB is all about convenience and versatility. Designed with a compact and ergonomic handle, this screwdriver makes tackling any small project easier than ever. The high-quality, magnetic tip ensures screws stay in place, while the lightweight design reduces hand strain during extended use. Whether you're fixing appliances or assembling furniture, this handy tool ensures you get the job done efficiently with minimal effort. No more fumbling with traditional screwdrivers, just reliable, easy-to-use performance every time. For anyone working with electrical systems, the Hazet Digital Current Clamp Meter 21F26 Moin offers precise measurements and versatility. This tool is designed to measure AC/DC currents, making it perfect for troubleshooting electrical circuits in residential, commercial, or industrial settings. With a large backlit display and user-friendly interface, this clamp meter provides quick and accurate readings, even in low-light conditions. The durable construction ensures that it can withstand tough work environments. Whether you're an electrician or a DIY enthusiast, this tool delivers reliability and performance, ensuring safe and effective electrical work. Thank you for watching this video on the top tech tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.